Hi folks, and welcome back to Global Education Zone, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to draw the development of a pyramid when the true length of the edge is not shown as in the elevation. So basically we don't have the true length of the um, edge here. So the first thing to do is you open your compass from the diagonal to one of the vertices. So let's take this bottom left because that's the side we'll be using for the development. So I'll draw an arc to meet this horizontal plane through the center. So and then I'll call that C. So let's assume this is number 1, this is number 2, number 3, number 4. So we number the vertices. The next step is basically we'll draw a vertical. We'll draw a vertical line from these vertex. We'll draw a vertical line from the vertex. Upward to meet the horizontal plane of the front elevation. Then from that point, let's call that point it cuts the front elevation plane B. So from that B we'll join it to the apex. Let's join B to the apex. So now this is the true length of the edge. So this is the true length of the edge. Let's call this A, B. Let's call this C. So you can see that this one from this one to this edge, there is not actually the true length. So from here to it's not actually the true length. This is the real true length. Now the next step is with center O. So we are going to be cutting we are going to be tracing these truncations back to the horizontal plane. Let's trace them back. So we are going to know the true shape of the plan now. Just cut it back. You've seen me done this a couple of times. You've seen me doing this rather a couple of times, I suppose. So then the next thing to do is basically begin to. So this intersects this line 4 and 3 at this point. So that's where they belong. And this intersects this here and here. So let's join them together, the 4 together. This 4 will give us the this is the complete plan with the truncation. This is how to draw the complete plan. The next what we need to do here is we need to draw a 45-degree line. This 45-degree line will show us the 45-degree lines. There we go. Show all these 45-degree lines. Now the next step is basically we'll draw an arc from this AB. This is the arc on which our development will take place. Let's draw the arc on this AB. Then also draw the arcs for the truncations, so for the point where they cut the axis. Then so basically we'll project this to this plane. You see this close. We'll also project this to this AB, the line AB, and then we'll draw the arc because AB is now the true length. That's what we're using. Then I will now count off the length of the edges of the plan on this curve. So I have this is from here to here. That's 1. And from here to here. So this is basically a square. So basically use the same dimensions for everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll have the 4 vertices of the square. So we'll now join this to the apex A. So now join this apex A, join this to apex A, join this to apex A, and then join this to apex A. So let's call this should be the number 1. This should be number 1. This should be number 2, number 3, number 4, and then we'll get back to number 1. Then the next step is basically we'll begin to locate the points, the vertices of each of the faces on the true shape. So for this number 1 we have the vertex here. So let's point it here. For number 2 also the vertex will go here. Then for number 3 the vertex will go here. And then for number 4 the vertex will also go here. Then for number 4 back to number 1 the vertex will go at number 1 again. We have the vertex here. So we'll now join all these vertices together and also join them to the vertices of the plan. So they will form, when we join everything together, they will form we'll join the vertices on the plan. So this is that I'm joining the vertices on the plan. 3 to 2, 4 to 3, and 1 to 4. Also join this together. Join this together. Join this together. So join this together. And this. So this shape, this is the plan, the complete plan. This is the front elevation, and this is the development of this the pyramid when the true length of the edge is not given. Thanks for watching.